Unlocking the secrets of SEO, master tips for your Instagram reel. Welcome to our quick SEO tip guide, where boosting your website ranking is made simple. Let's dive in. First up, focus on your keywords. These are the seeds of your SEO strategy, so choose them wisely. Remember, content is king. Create valuable, relevant content that addresses your audience's questions and needs. Don't ignore the power of meta tags. Title tags and meta descriptions are critical for search engines and users. Optimize your images. Large images slow down your site. Use alt text to boost your SEO further. Backlinks are gold. Earn links from reputable sites to enhance your site's authority and search engine ranking. Lastly, mobile friendliness is a must. With most searches happening on mobile, ensuring your site is responsive is crucial. Follow these tips and watch your website climb the SEO ladder. Stay ahead in the digital game.